In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open panels on Squarespace. Navigating Squarespace and customizing your site can seem daunting at first, but once you know where everything is, you'll find it's quite user-friendly. Whether you're updating your website or just exploring what Squarespace has to offer, understanding how to access various panels is crucial. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure you get the most out of your Squarespace experience. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's crucial that you start here, as this is the gateway to accessing all of your website's features. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. For those of you who have connected your Google account to Squarespace, the process is even more straightforward. Simply click on Continue with Google after clicking the login button. This will prompt a list of Google accounts to appear if you're signed into multiple accounts. Click on the Google account you've used to sign up for Squarespace. It's a nifty feature that streamlines the login process, sparing you from remembering another set of login credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You might find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is a hub for all your Squarespace activities. To access your site, look for the title or thumbnail of your website and click on it. Usually Squarespace opens your website dashboard by default if you're managing a single site. Now let's dive deeper. Accessing the panels on your Squarespace website allows you to make various modifications, from adding pages to adjusting your site's design. Hover over to the left side of your website's dashboard. Here you'll find a sidebar that showcases different panels. Think of it as your navigation bar for everything behind the scenes on your site. To view and edit your website's pages, click on the Pages panel. This panel shows you a list of current pages on your website and allows you to add or delete pages depending on your needs. It's a straightforward way to manage the content of your site. If you're looking to adjust your site's visual elements, the Styles panel is your go-to. Click on Styles to open the Styles panel, where you can customize fonts, colors, and other design elements that affect the overall look of your website. This is where you can really make your website stand out and reflect your brand or personality. Remember, Squarespace is designed to be intuitive. Each panel is designated for specific settings or features on your website, making it easier for you to navigate and customize your site as you see fit. Whether you're working on your pages, tweaking your site's design, or exploring other settings, knowing how to access these panels is key to making the most out of Squarespace. And that's a wrap. You now know how to open and navigate panels on Squarespace, unlocking endless possibilities for customizing and managing your website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different panels and see what changes you can bring to your site. Happy customizing!